14 Science-based health benefits of walnuts. Walnuts provide healthy fats, fiber, vitamins and minerals, and that's just the beginning of how they may support your health. In fact, there's so much interest in this one nut that for the past 50 years, scientists and industry experts have gathered annually at the University of California, Davis, for a walnut conference discussing the latest walnut health research. The most common variety of walnut is the English walnut, which is also the most studied type. Here are 14 science-based health benefits of walnuts. 1. Rich in antioxidants. Walnuts are an excellent source of antioxidants that can help fight oxidative damage in your body, including damage due to bad LDL cholesterol, which promotes atherosclerosis. 2. Super plant source of omega-3s. Walnuts are a good source of the plant form of omega-3 fat, which may help reduce heart disease risk. 3. May decrease inflammation. Several plant compounds and nutrients in walnuts may help decrease inflammation, which is a key culprit in many chronic diseases. 4. Promotes a healthy gut. Eating walnuts not only nourishes you but also the beneficial bacteria that live in your gut. This promotes the health of your gut and may help reduce disease risk. 5. May reduce risk of some cancers. The polyphenols in walnuts may reduce your risk of certain cancers, including breast, prostate and colorectal cancers. However, more human studies are needed to confirm this. 6. Supports weight control. Though they're calorie dense, you may not absorb all of the calories in walnuts. Additionally, they may even help you control appetite and hunger. 7. May help manage type 2 diabetes and lower your risk. Eating walnuts may help control type 2 diabetes and reduce your risk of the disease, as the nut may help control your weight. Walnuts might have more direct effects on blood sugar control as well. 8. May help lower blood pressure. Some studies suggest that eating 1 ounce, 28 grams, of nuts daily, including walnuts, as part of a heart-healthy diet may help improve blood pressure. 9. Supports healthy aging. A healthy diet that includes walnuts may help preserve physical function, such as walking and self-care abilities as you age. 10. Supports good brain function. Walnuts contain nutrients that may help protect your brain from damaging inflammation and support good brain function as you age. 11. Supports male reproductive health. Eating walnuts regularly may help counteract potential harmful effects of less than ideal eating habits on sperm health. 12. Improves blood fats. A daily 1.5 ounce, 43 gram, serving of walnuts may help lower harmful cholesterol and triglyceride levels, which contribute to heart disease risk. 13. Gallstone disease. According to another study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, frequent nut consumption is associated with a reduced risk of cholecystectomy, an operation to remove the gallbladder. In over 1 million people documented over 20 years, women who consumed more than 5 ounces of nuts a week had a significantly lower risk of cholecystectomy than women who ate less than 1 ounce of nuts each week. 14. Widely available and easy to add to your diet. You can find walnuts in any grocery store. Check for raw walnuts in the baking aisle, roasted walnuts in the nut aisle and cold-pressed walnut oil in the specialty oils section. It's helpful to understand how to convert the serving sizes used in studies, so you know how your portion sizes compare. Each of the following are essentially equivalent servings, providing about 190 calories. 1 ounce shelled walnuts equals 28 grams equals 1/4 cup equals 12 to 14 halves equals 1 small handful. Though it's simplest to eat walnuts one by one as a snack, there are plenty of tasty ways to use them in dishes. Try walnuts sprinkled on leafy green or fruit salads. Finely ground in dips and sauces. Chopped and used in whole grain breads and scones. Crushed to use as a coating on fish or chicken. Served atop oatmeal or yogurt. Chopped and added to wraps or pita sandwiches. Roasted and added to a homemade trail mix. Lightly browned in your favorite stir-fry recipe. Roasted, chopped and used on pasta or vegetables. as an oil in a vinaigrette dressing. Or scout the internet for additional tasty recipe ideas. If you are cooking for guests, make sure no one is allergic to walnuts before adding them to your dishes. Walnuts are an exceptionally nutritious nut. They have higher antioxidant activity and significantly more healthy omega-3 fats than any other common nut. This rich nutrient profile contributes to the many health benefits associated with walnuts, such as reduced inflammation and improved heart disease risk factors. Scientists are still uncovering the many ways that walnuts' fiber and plant compounds, including polyphenols, may interact with your gut microbiota and contribute to your health. It's likely you'll keep hearing more about walnuts in the years to come as more studies will research their beneficial health effects. Still, there are plenty of reasons to include them in your diet already today. Risks and precautions. Some researchers have concluded that consuming walnuts does not lead to weight gain. However, walnuts are dense in calories, and people are advised to consume them in moderation to reduce this risk. A high consumption of walnuts has also been linked to diarrhea. This could be after a person eats a large quantity of walnuts, because of the high oil or fiber content, or because they have a sensitivity, for example, in people with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. A 1-ounce serving of walnuts contains about 12 to 14 half walnut pieces. People who are allergic to nuts should not eat walnuts. If the person develops a rash or hives or difficulty breathing after eating walnuts, medical attention should be sought. Children should not consume pieces of nut, or they should be supervised while doing so, as this can lead to choking. Walnuts can be a healthful addition to the diet. A diet that is balanced overall and followed alongside an exercise regime is best for health.